Yo, welcome back guys to this channel. In this video right now, I'm going to be doing good forecast where I'm expecting price to move to probably next week, this upcoming week. So I'm already inside this particular trade right here. You can see this particular trade. I think I should screenshot my account balance and then just add it to this video. Okay, so this is my account balance right here, and then if you can check, I want the profits close like 30% of my account balance. So that's just it. Okay, so this is I enter into the market price here to get my day profit. It's just like a 1:19, but I risk 3% of my account to enter into this particular trade. So this is the second setup I saw last week, and then this is the first one right here. Price not pick my trade, and then I wait for the second setup or the price return back to my entry, and then finally pick my trade, and then it's going on a bullish direction right now. So let me go back to like a 15 minutes time frame. So this 15 minutes time frame right here. Okay, so there's a lot of setup that happened during last week, and then I know a lot of people miss a lot of setup, but it's fine. Okay, I think this one right here, if you go out to lower time frame, you see where price return back to. Price set up going above overall high. Can you see overall high right here? So you're not going to judge the market with how many high price end up breaking yet. So you judge the market from this particular length. So I think price not break any high. Even this side right here, price not break it. Okay, price not break it. So that means this order block right here is not what a real order block. This is what the real order block. So price move up and then giving another entry, break to low, then come all the way down, respect the order block. Don't forget 2 ways on how to satisfy a real order block. So this is the first way, break to low, then respect the order block, and then start going what on engage direction. So what I'm actually expecting on Monday or probably on Tuesday, it all depends, but on Monday just like to happen. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So I was able to see this particular setup you're looking at. This particular setup, I think I should start from this setup. I missed this first trade. This first trade I missed it, just like a warrior 39. I missed it. Price didn't pick my trade, but this right here, price ended up picking my trade. So I was able to wait for price to come all the way back to this particular order block right here before going on the bullish direction. So this I was able to see the setup. I think the analysis start from 3-hour time frame. Okay, yeah, on 3-hour time frame, yeah. So on 3-hour time frame right here, can you see price end up breaking this particular high? This is the first high we have what in a bearish range from this particular high right here downward. So this is the first high. Can you see this is the first high? So price end up breaking it, and then it end up breaking only one high. So price not going to respect this particular order block. I think I should delete this trade. Let me just delete it. Okay, so price not going to respect this particular order block right here. This is the last bearish candle. Price going to come all the way below it and then respect the next order block. So that is how I was able to see this particular trade. And then if you check on my screen right now, this is the trade. Okay, you can see I'm on a profit of $861 coin my 48, almost close to like 10% of my account balance, and that is very cool. And then if you check my screen right now, you're going to see the trade. I enter from 2496.163, and then this particular entry is 24. Let me delete this. This particular entry right here is 24.95. So I added spread to it. That's why you're seeing 96. So I added spread to it because sometimes based on my trade strategy, price will just come all the way down, give you like a snapper entry, and then your broker won't pick your trade just because of spread. So you have to add spread to your entry if you are buying the market, and then if you are selling the market, no need of you adding spread to your entry, just add it to your stop loss. So another price is coming all the way back to this particular low right here. So I moved down to lower time frame. We are 3-hour time frame. I moved down to like 2-hour time frame. So I moved down to like 2-hour time frame. The order block remained the same thing. Let me just delete this big one. So after that, I moved down to like 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame. Then a 1-hour time frame, it remained the same thing. This is actually where I'm expecting price to go below this particular low right here. This particular low, so to respect this area. So I just want to reduce the order block. That is the reason why I'm going down to lower time frame. So this 1-hour time frame, I moved down to like 13 minutes time frame. So on 30 minutes time frame right now, it remains the same thing, just like a week candle. Then if you check 15 minutes time frame, you see almost like same thing too. Can you see? But from 5 minutes time frame downward, that is why I was able to see this particular entry. It was on 3 minutes though. Okay. Yeah, so on 5 minutes right here, you can see that price end up breaking out to high. This is the first high right here. This is the first high. Price broke this, then end up breaking this too. Then after that, price end up breaking this one. So price broke a lot of highs. All these are you see right here, making this particular order block right here a reorder block. Can you see this order block right here is a reorder block, but the order block is still big. So I moved down to like 3 minutes time frame. Okay, so on 3 minutes time frame right now, that is where I was excited to see this particular order block right here. Can you see the order block? This particular order block. So I make use of 3 minutes order block, and then it's still the same moment I end up breaking this high, and also this high before this opposite candle you see right here. This opposite candle, can you see? So let's just go to the video of today. So let me just start the forecast where I'm expecting price to go to on Monday, probably Monday. Then okay, I'm already inside this particular trade I'll show you guys earlier. So but price is yet to like to get my take profit, so I'm still going to hold the trade or to price gets my take profit. At the same time, I'm still going to like to be studying the market, you understand, because I'm just expecting price to go above this particular high right here, above this particular high. So I think I didn't even mention the reason why I intend to buy trade. Let me go back to like a daily time frame. So I saw this particular setup actually from our daily time frame. So on daily time frame right here, price end up breaking this low. Can you see this low? Okay, price end up breaking this low, making this particular order block right here is not for a reorder block, and then price going to go above this particular high. So I have to like to study this particular range. I mean this range right here, just like to find a place that price will retest and then before breaking it. So I moved down to like a 4-hour time frame. Okay, so on 4-hour time frame right now, price end up breaking a lot of highs. Can you see? Price below this high, price below this. Like it's not the one, but I was able to see this particular setup right here. Like price end up going above this particular high right here. Can you see this high? Yeah. So price going what on the bullish direction, then price come all the way down, go above this particular high, but this particular moment did not break any high right here. So price don't get to respect the low, price going to respect the order block below it. So if you check the order block below it, and there is a very big order block. This is the order block right here. So it's a very big order block because this particular moment from this low to this particular high did not break any high right here. So that is the reason why price will come all the way below it and then take out the low as what a liquidity and then start going what on a bullish direction. So this is the order block on our 4-hour time frame, and then if you check our 3-hour time frame, it's almost like the same thing. Okay, can you see 3-hour time frame almost same? Then if you check 2-hour time frame, so that's where we have different order block inside this particular order block. So right now we can analyze the market to know exactly that price going to respect. And then on 2-hour time frame right now, price end up breaking this high. Okay, price end up breaking this high, and then price end up breaking this high too. Can you see? Sorry. Price end up breaking, I think 3 highs. Okay, price end up breaking this high too. So making this particular order block right here a reorder block. So I draw my order block. I use this particular 2-hour time frame because this is where price is coming all the way back to. Then I move down to like a 1-hour time frame. Okay, so 1-hour time frame right now, I can see this particular week candle. Can you see this week candle right here? So price not going to come all the way and respect this particular week. Price going to take it out as what a liquidity because this particular full candle is not inside what our order block. So price not going to respect it. So that is the reason why price go all the way below it right here. Because the full candle is not inside what this particular order block. So you have to reduce what your order block below it. Okay, because price is going to take that low as what a liquidity. So let me delete this. And then if you check the market, let's just assume that if you check 2-hour time frame, we just check 1-hour time frame, you see that price end up breaking this high, broke this high, and also this high. So this is what a reorder block or 1-hour time frame. but the first time frame that is giving you the analysis, it really matters a lot. And then this is where I see that a lot of traders are making the mistake. Even though they're watching my videos, they understand a little bit about my trade strategy, but they don't understand the full concept. So that's one of the things I always advise people to learn. You can join my monthly mentorship. My mentorship is on right now. You can just go to the description and then to sign up for my mentorship. So you're going to learn all my trade strategy, how to build out to the time frame, how to know where price is going to respect, how to know where price is not going to respect, how to know the reorder block in the market, and then how to increase what's your risk to reward ratio. Like for example, the lowest risk to reward ratio I can take in the market is just like a 1:10. If price not giving like a 1:10, I'm not getting into the market unless I'm just scalping, you understand? But if I'm entering to the market from a very big time frame, like 4-hour time frame, 2-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, it must give me more than 1:10. So that's just for that. So this is what the reorder block on the 1-hour 2-hour time frame. Okay, we are 1 hour. So from this time frame, I moved out to lower time frame, like I moved out to the next one, which is 30 minutes. So 30 minutes right now, I analyze the market, then I see that price, this particular moment not breaking the high, so I just use the order block below it straight up, but price not return back to the order block. Can you see? I just make use of the order block below it straight up. So my first trade on my MetaTrader 5, what I showed you earlier, the first trade you are seeing below it, okay, let me just show it again. The first trade you are seeing below it is this particular setup right here, but price not pick the trade. Then I was able to analyze this particular market and then to get my second entry, because price now come all the way back to this particular order block, and also price end up achieving the purpose of coming all the way down. The purpose is just like taking out this particular low. This is the first low, and then but the major purpose of coming all the way down is just like taking out this particular liquidity right here on 4-hour time frame, because this particular moment from this low to this particular high, you don't break anything in this area, so price going to try to take out the low as what in liquidity. So that is just like the major purpose of price coming all the way down. So I have a line draw on my chart. I have to delete all this because I don't really like having too much of lines on my chart. Okay, as an institutional trader, you have to like to just look at the market and then understand what price is saying, where price is going to, and then the reason why. So that's just for that. So what I'm expecting on Monday is just like, okay, so I have to study this particular bearish trade. I mean, let me go back to like a 4-hour time frame. Okay, so from 4-hour time frame right now, I have to like to study this particular moment. Let me delete this line. Let me delete all this line. Okay, let me delete this one also. So on 4-hour time frame right now, what I'm gonna do is just like study this particular moment from this high to this particular low, just like to find opposite candle in between. So once price end up breaking one opposite candle, then I'll make use of the order block below it, and then if price end up breaking two high, so you're going to make use of the order block that is responsible for it, and that is what a real order block in the market. So what I'm going to do is just like I'll be going down to lower time frame, just like to find a place where we have opposite candle in between. So that will be my first time frame. So this 4-hour time frame, let's move down to like 3-hour time frame. So on 3-hour time frame right now, it's still the same thing. Can you see? It's still the same thing. This particular bearish moment is the same thing. There's not any opposite candle in between. What I mean by opposite candle is like seeing a bullish candle in between. So there's not any bullish candle in between. So let's check on 2-hour time frame. So on 2-hour time frame right now, this is where we have our first bullish candle. Can you see? But the distance is very far, so you can't just wait for price to get to this particular high and then finding a perfect order block that price is going to respect. So this particular moment is very far, so you have to reduce what our range below it. So let's reduce our range. Okay, so this is our range right now. From this particular high to this particular low, it's our new range. So you have to study inside this particular moment to find out opposite candle in between. Opposite candle in between. So we are on 2-hour time frame. Let's check 1-hour time frame. Okay, 1-hour time frame, we don't have opposite candle in between. From this particular high right here to this particular low, there's no any bullish candle in between. Let's check 45 minutes time frame. Okay, on 45 minutes time frame right now, we have one here. So we have one, but it's very far before price get to this area, you'll have missed some movement. So let's just change this one towards another range. Okay, let's change this one to another range. I'm just looking for a place that price is going to break either 1 eye or 2 eye in this particular area, so you can get into the market on time. Okay, let me delete this. Line. So from 45 minutes, let's check at 30 minutes time frame. On 30 minutes time frame right now, it's almost like the same to 45 minutes. Let's check our 20 minutes time frame. Okay, perfect. So on 20 minutes time frame right now, you're able to see these 2 eye. Okay, this is the first eye right here. Then after that, this is the second eye. Can you see? This is the second eye. So if price end up breaking this particular 2 eye, then you're going to make use of the order block responsible for it. So any movement that end up breaking this particular eye, you're going to make use of the order block, just like to enter into the market, and then you set your stop loss below it. At the same time, you have to study the market very well. It's not all about like me giving you the analysis, because price can change at any time. So that is the reason why we always analyze the market every single time to see what price is saying. And then sometimes you can see some trader, they will enter into a trade, and then if they see that market is going against them, just like I enter into this particular trade from this particular area, price is going on a bullish direction, and the price is coming all the way down. Many traders are going to start to panic that, oh, price already going against me. They'll end up like closing the markets. No, you have to analyze the market to see where exactly price is going to in this particular area. It's very simple, guys. You just have to understand my trade strategy very well. Once you decide to master that, all these trades is going to be very simple for you. Okay, so what you have to do right now is like, if price end up breaking this eye or this 2 eye, so you're going to make use of the order block that is responsible. But if price end up breaking only one, you make use of the order block below it. So that's just for that. And then if you miss this particular trade, just go back to like our 30 minutes time frame. So 30 minutes time frame right now, this is the first eye. This is the first eye on 30 minutes time frame. So if you can wait for price to break this particular eye, I think down is cool. So if price end up breaking this particular eye right here, if it's only this eye, price not break the second above it, you use the order block below it. So what I mean is like, if price end up breaking only this eye, so the order block below it, that is what you're going to use, not the order block that broke it, the one below it. And then if you can wait, see, like I think 30 minutes and 45 minutes is the same thing. Let me check 1 hour time frame. Okay, a 1 hour time frame is this particular area right here, this particular area. So if you can wait for price to break this, because it's very far, imagine my trade, it will be it will close like to take profit, because this is just like a 1:90. So well, it all depends, but one thing you just have to understand is like, you understanding the trading strategy very well. We can enter into the market anytime. For example, right now I can just go down to like 45 minutes time frame. 45 minutes time frame. Okay, seeing this particular opposite count right here, if price end up going above this particular eye, I mean this eye right here, break this particular eye. What I mean just like, let me draw the parts. Okay, price come all the way down, tap into my entry, move up, come down, then start moving up. I can be looking for entry in this particular low right here. That price is going to tap into this particular low and then start doing what's on in bullish direction. So it all depends on how you decide to understand my trade strategy too, you understand. So that's just for that. Okay, if you don't understand what I did, you can just ask questions in the comment section, and then for you to get some more insights about my trade strategy, you can join my mentorship for you to learn more, and then to understand my trade strategy, how I'm able to start to cash in all this particular movement. It's very simple. Right here, price broke this low, broke this one, so making this personal order block right here a real order block. Okay, right here, price broke this low. Can I say price broke this low? This is the first time frame showing this particular low. Then price will respect this particular order block, price will respect the one above it. So you can just go down to what time frame, just like to find a perfect play that price return back to respect before coming all the way down. It's very simple. It's very simple. You just have to understand my trade strategy very well. You understand? So that's just for that. So if you have any question, you can just ask in the comment section. And then for my mentorship, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description, so you can join my mentorship right now, and then you're going to benefit from my trade setup. And also, please, if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe, and then please like this video. I really appreciate that. So see you in my next video.